Okay, this is my bike check. Start off in the front and go to the back. Go for like this. Alright, this is an Animal GLH tire. We have Odyssey JPEGs, super uber light. Got a Haro fork thrown in there just because it's lighter than all my other forks I've tried out. Little McNeil valve caps. The nitrous, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can. Nitrous, front wheel. I got an FSN headset, Redneck SNM LT stem. I don't know if you can see, I'm too short. Yeah. Stolen Money grips. Vortex bar ends. I've got the Stolen frame. Little animal sticker. There's another one in the back. Odyssey twisted PC pedals. I love these things. They're pretty awesome. I hate metal pedals. Jack up my shins all the time with them. Stolen mob cranks. I've got a gold chain in an Eastern super light. I don't know if you can hear that. Stolen Thermalite seat and a McNeil seat hose. I had to grind it down because it was like way up here and it looked stupid. Got Odyssey Path tires, Eastern back wheel, another Odyssey JPEG. Love these things. That's pretty much it. That's my whole bike. Hope you liked it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be getting some Perfect 10s. These are kind of short. They're like 8s and 26s. There's 27s or something like that. They're really short. But yeah, for the most part, this bike's pretty held together. I've had some problems with the back hub, but other than that, it's a pretty solid bike. I love this thing. So yeah, be making another video soon. Thanks for watching.